Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ariel in her pink dinner dress. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's draw the eyes with two curves. Now on both eyes, let's add some eyelashes. Next, inside each eye, let's add a circle towards the center. Then inside each one, let's draw a small circle on the top right. And then in the center behind, let's draw a black circle. And lastly, for the eyes, on the bottom outside here, let's draw a curve down. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the eyebrows with a curve on top of each eye. And then let's thicken each eyebrow up slightly towards the center. And that's it for the eyebrows. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a small curve. And now underneath, let's add another curve for the mouth. And then a smaller curve under for the bottom lip. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides and let's draw diagonal lines down. And now let's curve it down to a point for the chin. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop up and draw the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down, over, and then curve it back in. And then underneath, on the right, a curve down. Now let's hop back over on the left side and let's add another curve. Now above it, let's draw a curve up and then bring it over and dip it down. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve down on the right side. Now next to this line, let's draw 3 small bumps for her hair clip. Next, let's hop up and draw the top of the head. From the top right here, let's draw a curve up and then curve it down on the left. And now from the bottom of the line, let's curve it out and back down. Let's stop here on the hair for now and move in and finish drawing the body first. Next, let's move back in next to the face and let's draw a small curve down for the ears. And let's do the same on the right, and let's stop before connecting it to the face. Now in the gap, let's add the earrings. We'll start with a small circle. And then underneath each one, let's draw a teardrop loop down like this. And that's it for the earrings. Next, let's move down and draw the neck with 2 curves. Then let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Next, let's add a curve across for the top of the dress. Then a small line down from both sides. And then another curve underneath. Next, underneath, let's move in and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. And then bring both sides down for the sides of the body. And then at the bottom, let's close it off with a V shape. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move back up and draw the sleeves. From the left of her shoulder here, let's draw a curve out and then back in. And the same thing on the right. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve back into the body. Next, let's draw the details inside each sleeve. Let's start in the middle and let's draw a diamond. And then 2 smaller angled ones on either side. And that's it for the sleeves. Next, let's finish drawing the arms. From the gap that we left, let's draw 2 angled lines down. And then let's angle them again out to the left. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. From the top line, let's curve it out and then angle it down. Then let's curve it back in underneath. And then let's add the thumb by curving it down and back up. Lastly, inside, let's add 1 more diagonal curve. And that's it for her arms. Next, let's move back inside and finish drawing the dress. Let's start at the waist and let's draw a long curve down on the left and the same on the right. Now inside at the top, let's draw another V shape. Now start underneath the V and let's draw a curve down and over to the left. And the same from the right. Now inside, let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. And then another shorter one above it on both sides. Now inside in the center, let's draw a line down. And then next to it, a curve down on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now from the middle line, let's draw curves out from both sides. Now from the bottom, let's continue the lines out. Then a curve down at the end. And then one more curve on either side to close off the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Next, let's hop back up and finish drawing the hair. From the line we drew earlier on the right, let's curve it out and down, and then continue it behind the arm to the dress. And now let's do the same thing on the left side. And that's it for Ariel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!